everybody, hey, it's Lisa here. Time for another lesson in a junk journal. Okay, we are going to be working on our bird junk journal that we've been working on for a little while here, and I got another fun idea for another page. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Making sure I'm centered here. Yes, I'm centered. This is great. Welcome to my channel. And I hope this inspires you today. So to make a journal, a bird journal like I've made here, and it's exciting. So yeah, I want to show you the page that we're going to be working on. Let's see here. Oh, and I added, if you guys saw me last time, this is one of the pages we did last time. We did this page, and we also did a belly band in the front. We did this page too. And I also added some little lace in the button on this. I thought that was kind of cute for that whole page. I thought this would be perfect for writing space. I have not put anything in this pocket yet, but I did put this little doily on here, and I actually changed my card out for this beautiful card, and I'm going to put that here. I thought that looked pretty in that. So anyway, I'll show you what we're going to be doing today. We're going to work on this page today. And I have an idea for this page. I'm going to make a little book. We're going to make a little book out of these things, and then I'm going to put a little pocket on the bottom from this. So let's go ahead and get started. So I want to go ahead and put this on the bottom as my, there's wire in this, but I really like this. It's really pliable and nice, but I wanted to make like a little pocket down here with this. So I'm going to just put this on here. This is going to take a while to dry, I think, too, so I have to be careful with that. Okay, gotta put that on. It's right on the edge. And then use some of my clips to clip it on, keep it on with. Make sure it stays where I want it to stay. Some of that. I got this over at Goodwill one day. I was over there shopping and I found it and I went, I gotta have that. That's so pretty. There's wire in it, but the wire doesn't really bother me none really at all. So okay, I'm gonna let that dry, and then in the meantime I'm gonna take this. I used a piece of cardstock that I kind of like the pattern on, and I'm gonna turn this into a book. I'm gonna make a book, so put that on the cover. Let me ink this up quick. Looks like a stamp. Cut the edges on it to make it look like a postage stamp. Okay, so put that right on there. I'm going to measure how big I want it. So I wanted to cut it a little bit here. But like that. And then I cut the bottom because it's not even. Make sure don't fold her out. Make sure it's nice and straight. And cut right along that line. Like that. Then I'm going to add some tea-dyed paper to this that I have in my stash here. Let me see. I got this paper. No, I do have that. I do have this, the dotted paper that I've used before. I think I will use a couple sheets. I'll use 4 sheets of this. And I'm going to just put it right in the book. This, measure it. I'm going to cut around it so it fits in there. Okay. So anyway, how's everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having a great day. We are in the process of finishing up our gardening, which is a great thing. And it's a nice sunny day out today. This is great. Okay, now I cut this a little simple little book. That, the pages I mean, anyway. And I'm going to just put that in there. I'm going to trim the edges with my rounder. I'm going to round the edges, around the corners. Okay, and then I'm going to round the corners on this too as well. Okay, and then this is just going to be inside of there, and then this little bird's going to go on here too. It's going to be cute. I'm going to put some probably ruffles or some lace or something on this too when I'm done. So this is just how simple it is to do a book. Then I'm going to take the inside. I'm going to put a pamphlet stitch in here. But what I'm going to do, instead of using regular pamphlet stitch, I'm going to put some ribbon through it. I'm going to make a ribbon closure on the outside with this. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use this. So what I got to do with this is I got to make some bigger holes than I normally would for this. And I'm only going to make 2 holes. One about here, one about here. And then I'm going to take my hole punch, which is it's one of these leather hole punchers. And I'm going to just punch the hole right in there. See, making sure these are straight. Okay. And then I think what I'm going to do is clip the pages together like this. So these kind of keep where I want these to stay. These on there. Okay, got them on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this to punch my holes. And I'm going to use a bigger hole, I think, for this. Let me see here. Okay, I'm going to use this bigger hole. There we go. And then this side. Right there. And just, there we go. Okay. Now I got my 2 holes. And I could have used a hole punch, but a little bit harder to get to it. And that's the back. It's pretty, this one's a little off a little bit, but I think that's just gonna be fine. So then I'm gonna take this, and I'm going to string it through the holes. I'm gonna fold it in half and get it through there. I'm just gonna do it with my fingers. It perfectly goes in. And come over on this side, and then I'm gonna fold it, put it through here. On this side. Like that. And it's just gonna fold there. Let's see, let me take these off now.
Oh, that jerk and pulling is done. It's making me see now. Almost. I think I'm gonna get that out here in a minute.
And then this, gonna make sure that's nice and straight. Make sure that's nice and straight. And then you want to tie it in the back. And I'm probably gonna have a lot of extras. So it's going to be okay to have extras. And then I'm going to tie it in a bow. Just trim it there. That is cute. Okay. I want to make sure it's a little bit straighter. Okay. Like that. Okay. And then I'm going to tie it in a bow. Out there like that. Then I'm going to cut some of these off. Sorry. And then I'm going to put the bird on here. And then I'm going to put it right in the pocket here. So, you know what? I cannot get this tight like I want. This is not very tight, but I think it'll be fine. You know, I'm just worrying too much about it. Let's see, making sure. Let's try it one more time. I'm gonna just retie it, make it a little tighter, because I think it's a little bit too loose. I want to just come up and really tie it tight. I think as tight as I'm going to be able to get it. So, okay. Yep, that's the inside. It's going to look like that. All right. And then this is going to go in the front. I'm going to glue that on there. There's another picture on the back, but I like the other one better. Okay, put that on there, center. That. It's so easy to make a little book like this, just so fun, so easy. And let's just see how it's going to fit in the holder here, in the pocket. Yeah, it's just going to put right in there, in the pocket. Okay, I gotta ink the edges of this. Kind of age it up a little bit. Okay, that looks kind of cute. Okay, now I got some extras of this. I should put this on the bottom here. It'd be really pretty on there. That. I'm gonna just put that right on there. So really pretty on there. I think. Just like that. Thinking about adding some buttons. Would be pretty. Some white buttons. Maybe one button in the center would be really pretty right here. This has already got pieces of some fabric on it. Let's take it off of a shirt or something. I don't know. There, and that's gonna just go there. That. That's cute. It's pretty simple. I like it. It's just gorgeous. Now, what I could, let's see about seeing if I could put a button in each corner, maybe. Let's see how this would look. I think that's fine how it is. Okay. Now I'm gonna just put it. So this is how it's gonna look. You know what I could do, and I will do, is I'm going to maybe put a pocket on each end of this that matches this. Put a pocket in the front and a pocket in the back. Make sure this is even. Ink the edges. I'm going to ink the inside of this too. I think that'd be good. And then this one I can put on this end. So you do two of those. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna round the top corners on this. I guess 3 corners. Because I wanted it to be round, and I wanted it to look like that. So go on there. I think I know what I'm going to make a V. I'm going to make a little bit of a V. Like that. Put that on there. Okay, there we go. It's a little bit higher at this end. That's okay. I think that will be fine. You can put things in there, whatever. And this one, let me see, what am I going to do with this one? I think I'll just leave this normal. Yeah, I can leave that normal. That one on there. Okay, and that one right there. Okay. That one right on here. There we go. And I'm going to ink the edges on the inside of this book too. It's just too bright white for me. Okay, there's that. Okay, looks cute, and I like the little ruffles on the edges. It's really cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this pocket. I'm making sure this is glued right here. Looks like it needs to be a little bit more glue there. Okay, we got that. And this little booklet's gonna just pop right in here. And then you can do more of your journaling in this little booklet. So how you like it? I think it's cute. I like it. It's really cute. So that's that. Then let me see what my time looks like. Okay, got some time. Oh, and this, I did this a while back, this little pocket here that I got from a card, and I actually put this paper in there instead. This paper was actually on another page, and I decided to just put it there. That'd be easier. I mean, not easier, it looked nicer, I thought. So, do that. Here is a page that I wanted to put on here. I wanted to glue this on here. What I did was I took some paper and I put it on the edge here because this wasn't big enough to go all the way across, and so I thought I would add this here, put a notch here, and add this as a little tuck spot here. Get this out. Put a notch in that. I thought we could just put it right here, and then you can just put things in there, tuck them right in there. I think I inked it up everywhere else, yeah. All right, let's go ahead and glue this down here. Let's see, I gotta move this out of the way. I got some stuff on the next page I'm gonna do too, but I'm just like keeping it there for a reason. All right, so I don't forget where it's at. Okay, let's go ahead and put this, glue this on. I'm just gonna take this out. Okay, let's just glue that on there. It's gonna be pretty. It's gonna be cute, cute little opening. I mean, cute little pocket. Okay, put this on here. Okay, look at that. That's just going to go right on there. I love this page. This paper is taken from Calico Collage. I did the songbirds from Calico Collage kit, and I got some different things from that I put in here, and I love that. I think that is really pretty. And so then we probably put a card. This is also from the songbird kit. This is what's left of it. And cut this out and see if we want to do this. Maybe we want to do something with this. I was thinking about maybe I could put it in here as a card. I can leave it there for now. Decide. Look at this. A bird does not sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song. Isn't that sweet? I should cut that out and put that right on here, because I just think that saying is just so pretty. It's so cute. Put this thing here. Cut around it. I got this a long time ago. I mean, this is probably really outdated, because when I was going to do this journal, I was thumbing through some of my stuff, and I found it, and I went, oh man, I remember that. So I thought it would work out pretty good for this journal. So I'm just going to fussy cut around it, and then I'm going to ink it, of course, and I'm going to put it on here. I like that. This thing is really cute. And then I'm going to just glue it right on there. It's really pretty. Okay. Bird does not sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song to sing. That's pretty. I like that. That is really pretty. And then this I can put in there as a tag. But I don't know. I'll just put that in there for now. And I might change my mind. Don't know yet. But I might change my mind. I'm thinking that I should ink it. Just the edge, I think. Okay. And then I'm going to put this in here for now. And look at that and see how that looks. And let's see, what else have I got going on? So we did this page, which is really cute. It's kind of bulky. It's a little bit bulky, but I'll see what we can do with it. You know, I can see. And then this we did. We put this in there. Put the songbird's little poem thing here. And then on this side, I have an idea for this, but I think I'm probably going to do this next time that we're here. Make some kind of pocket here. But I think I'll do that next time. So, okay, guys. Well, anyway, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, which will be either tomorrow or the next day. And so anyway, just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Say thank you to all of your comments, and I appreciate every single one of your comments that you leave me. Make sure you check out my Etsy shop to see what's available in there. I'll leave the description down below. And so anyway, You guys have a great day, and I will see you later. Okay, bye.